Hi folks, Ken from Chandler, and welcome back to another episode of We Can Help With That. Today we're going to talk about what takes place in a men's washroom. You know what I'm talking about? Splashback. Studies show that there is a 6-foot spray of urine in all directions when a man stands at a urinal. How do we prevent that? We prevent that by putting the proper urinal device in the urinal to prevent splashback. I'm going to take a few minutes to show you some different products and which one's going to work best to keep your clothes and shoes clean. Stay tuned. So today we're going to show you the difference between 3 very common urinal screens. The bubblegum blue, your typical puckwit screen, cherry, and the new honeysuckle dustbane shield, which is guaranteed to prevent any type of splashback whatsoever. Let's see how they work. So there you have it, folks. That's how the new 3D shield from Dustbane can help prevent that 6-foot spray of pee and keep your clothes and shoes clean. I'm Ken from Chandler, and again, that's how we can help with that. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.